Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Leos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, okay? And please keep in mind the roles can be reversed and this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate with you, my friend. So let's start. So yeah, this is a reading from today till the end of August. So let's start. Leos, your partner's current energy right now is, I feel like Leos are going through a lot in their life right now, and I'm a Leo rising myself, so it will resonate with me as well. So let's see how you guys are doing. So Leos, your partner's current energy right now is Nine of Cups. There's some kind of wish fulfillment. Your partner is right now working on something and they're really happy about that. This is wish fulfillment, or it could also mean that they are overindulging themselves, might be in drinks or smoking or cigarette or something like that. They are right now overindulging in, and they might be feeling happy right now, but that is going to make them feel bad afterwards. So you should take care of your partner, Leos, to be very honest. I feel like, yeah, although they are feeling happy right now, there might be some kind of overindulgence and they are going to feel bad about this overindulgence like afterwards. So please take care of them. So let's clarify the Nine of Cups in their current energy. For some of you, it is definitely wish fulfillment. They are definitely happy right now, feeling independent, feeling happy, and they're not celebrating it with somebody else. Literally, they are not celebrating it with you as well. They are just feeling the happiness from inside and feeling like, yeah, I just want to celebrate this alone. And the cards are falling down. Let me take the cards. Okay. Yeah, everything is falling down like in Leo's life it is happening. Yeah, so let's see. Queen of Wands, the Lovers, oops, and the Two of Cups. Okay, so I feel like right now, Leos, your partner is feeling happy because they are feeling like they are now feeling like they were having a physical attraction or physical pull towards you, but now this physical pull or physical attraction is converting into a soulmate energy. Now this person is feeling like, yes, this is what I wanted from this connection, this is what they wanted from you, might be. And that is why right now feeling this person is right now feeling really happy from inside. Now they are feeling like, I got my soulmate and now this is what I want from them. They are really passionate about you, they are really passionate about this connection. You could be dealing with a Gemini here, and they are feeling like you are their soulmate. And I feel like this connection started with the sex thing, or just a casual chemistry or casual fucking, you can say. Now this sex thing or this casual chemistry this is love and sex mixed, and now this is becoming something very beautiful, a soulmate connection. That is why this person is feeling like this is wish fulfillment. Okay, this is how they wanted it and this is how it is happening with for them. That is why they are feeling happy. Nice. Nice. Let's see what is your current energy. Leos, your current energy right now is, let's see. Six of Wands. And yeah, Six of Wands. So right now, Leos, you are feeling happy because you are getting some kind of recognition, you are getting some kind of victory, you are getting some kind of good work, promotion. You are feeling like a mini celebrity. Your community is loving you. Everybody is like looking at you in the way like, yeah, this person, this Leo is a celebrity, and we just celebrate the victory they are having right now. This is something that is your community is celebrating, and you are feeling exceptionally good about yourself right now, Leos. Might be you're doing something and you're getting rewards or awards or promotions or recognition or appreciation. But yeah, there's something that is making you really happy. Might be at your office, might be your workspace, anything related to something that is making you really happy and feeling like, yeah, you are a mini celebrity and every eye is on you right now. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm shooting for a movie right now, and that's why I can relate to this, that I am feeling like a mini celebrity here. I am being treated like a mini celebrity here, so I'm feeling like that. So might be there's something that is making you feel like this. Okay, let's clarify. This is the King of Swords. Yeah, I have to upright it because I was not holding it correctly. King of Swords, Queen of Swords. My God, Sun could be dealing with another Leo here. So right now I feel like, yeah, you tried your best to King of Swords and Queen of Swords are here. So I feel like you are celebrating this with a partner. You are celebrating with somebody else. There is a partner, definitely. It could be a female partner, it could be a male partner, it could just be a friend, but there is something that is related to two people here right now, and you're just feeling like happy after a long time of concealing, hiding, trying to hide everything, trying to hide your feelings. I feel like right now you are finally happy. You are feeling like after all this shit, after going through all this shit of um, mm, I'm not able to make it, lots of negativity. Now you are finally trying to, uplift yourself, trying to uplift yourself in work area, or I don't know which area you are uplifting yourself, but you are really happy. People are recognizing you, and people are really happy about you as well. There are people around you, and this King of Swords and Queen of Swords are telling me that there is somebody else also in this equation, and they're adding to your happiness. Now I feel like you're very very clear and honest, and intentionally as well. You're very clear and open and honest with your intentions, that this is what I need in my life, this is what I want to do in my life, and that's making you really happy. And the other person is supporting you, whomsoever it is. It could be your mother, it could be he or she, it could be your father, mother, it could be just a friend, or it could be a lover, anything, anyone. But this person is really adding to your persona, adding to your happiness, and it's going to make you really happy. This is your current energy. Okay, now let's see what this person feels for you, Leo. Their feelings for you, let's see. Leos, their feelings for you. Queen of Cups, this person is in love with you. So Leos, I feel like this person is definitely in love with you. They are feeling lots of love emotions for you. They are feeling like, yeah, emotionally they are stable now. Now they love you. Now they have all the loving feelings for you, all the lovey-dovey feelings of the universe for you. This is more than love for me. Queen of Cups is more than love. It is motherly concern. They are literally concerned about you. They are literally concerned about what you ate, what you did, how are you doing, are you okay, are you doing good in your life, everything like that. So they are definitely very very concerned about you, and they are feeling like, yes, they have lots of feelings for you, caring and loving and sweet and honest, everything like that. This is just a beautiful love story, you can say, but not in a intense or passionate way, in a care and motherly kind of love, and serene kind of love, beautiful kind of love. Let's clarify. The Devil. Okay, cool. Let me upright it. The Ten of Wands and the Ten of Swords. So Leos, I don't know why am I getting that they were in some kind of connection with somebody else. There was a third party involvement here, and now they are feeling like this third party involvement is gone, or this third swords. I feel like there's something that there is something or someone that they were connected to, and they were feeling tied down to. Now they are feeling like they are kind of uplifting, from that condition, from that bondage you can say, or from that toxicity. I feel like they were in a toxic connection with somebody, and now they are slowly but surely coming out of this toxic energy. Now they are feeling like there is some kind of burden that is uplifted from them. Now they are ready to start their connection, start their life all over again, because they are like feeling like the worst is over. The worst is over. This is the Ten of Swords. They are feeling like, although this connection was like toxic for them, although there was a third party situation that was really making their life hell, now they are ready to uplift the responsibility, and just to be with you now. Be I feel like this person is now getting single day by day, and now they're coming towards you. Now they're feeling love towards you. Now they're feeling like the worst is over. Now I can restart my life all over again. This is what they're feeling, and they are feeling lots of love for you, motherly concern, motherly serene kind of concern, for friendship kind of love for you. Okay, this is what they are feeling right now. Let's see what they want from you, Leo. Let's see what this person wants from you. Knight of Pentacles. This person wants you to slow down. They want you to wait. I feel like they want a commitment from you. They want a long-term connection from you, but they want you to wait. They want you to slow down. They want you to take baby steps. Literally take baby steps, and don't rush into anything. Don't make any kind of assumptions. Don't make any kind of connections. Don't make any kind of commitment. Anything. Nothing. Nothing. They just want you to slow down. And I feel like, why am I getting this vibe that they want you to wait for a year or so just to be sure about the commitment or something like that. But yeah, this person wants you to wait and slow down and take baby steps. Don't rush into anything, don't rush into any connection, don't rush into any kind of commitment right now. They just want you to slow down and take baby steps and think about each and everything before proceeding further. This is what they want. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles as what they want from you. Ten of Pentacles, Page of Cups, wow, and the Five of Cups in reverse. Yup. So they want you to be stable in your life. First of all, I feel like they want you to be stable in their life, and after being stable in your life, they want you to realize, now that you are financially stable, now that you are emotionally stable, now you can love. Now you can restart love. Now you can have a love situation in your life, okay? And they want you to come out of this situation where you were feeling like left out, or where you were in depression, where you were feeling like nobody is for me and nothing is working out in my favor. So they want you to come out of this situation and love life again. So right now they want you to slow down. Just slow down, just for the sake of slowing down, and take each and everything slowly. Don't jump into any kind of conclusions, and be stable in your life. Be emotionally, physically, and financially stable in your life. Then restart your life all over again with beautiful love and beautiful, just about life, zeal about life. Yes, life is good. Everything is good. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm not depressed. They want you to come out of this depressing phase of life and love your life all over again. But before that, they want you to be stable, and they want you to slow down, work on yourself, work on your stability, work on your emotional life, work on your every area of life. They want you to stabilize every area of life and take things slow. Just take things slow. This is what they want from you. This person, whomsoever you are connected with, they are dearly in love with you, and they dearly care about you. This is the thing. This is motherly kind of love. Again and again, I'm telling you, this person deeply cares for you, deeply loves you, and they feel like you should come out of this depressing state of mind, and you should just focus on your stability. Let's see what is happening with you guys till the end of August. Let's see. Queen of Wands. Yeah. Somebody is coming towards you. So I feel like either you are going towards somebody, or somebody is coming towards you, and this is kind of, might be you guys are going to have a sexual connection with each other. But it is something like somebody is coming towards you with a very, very passionate energy. I don't know, I don't feel like somebody is coming towards you. For most of you, I feel like you are going towards somebody because you are feeling exceptionally attracted towards them, and you are feeling like, I should just be with them. This is the situation here. You just want to meet this person, you just want to have a connection with them. Might be just a sexual intercourse, or sexual meeting, you guys, a physical bang on right now. But yeah, there's something coming towards you. Yeah. And I feel like somebody is very passionate about you. They're coming towards you because they're feeling like they're wearing their heart on their sleeves, and they're like, yeah, I just want to meet you. I just want to meet you, Leo, because I'm feeling highly attracted towards you, because I'm feeling highly passionate for you. Yeah, let's see. Strength could be dealing with the Leo, Ace of Wands again, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. So let me tell you a story very quickly about this. So yeah, there's someone coming towards you. They're very passionate about you. They were silent from very long time. Might be they were not telling you that yeah, they want you, and they want to have a brand new beginning with you. And this brand new beginning is related to sexual energy. They want to bang you. They want to have a sexual life with you. And after this thing, they want to restart this sexual chemistry with you. I feel like they want to be stable in their life. Financial stability matters the most in their life. So I feel like they feel like, yeah, although they should restart this connection with you on a physical level, emotionally, or on a commitment level, I don't feel like this is happening. But yeah, they're coming towards you, and definitely they feel like you guys should bang each other, and you guys should start this connection all over again on a physical level. But after starting this, I am not getting any kind of commitment or marriage or anything like that. I feel like this person will stay like this only, and they will say like, okay, everything is fine between us, let's be financially stable first. I feel like this person is going to work on their financial independency, and they are going to work on their financial department as of now. Okay. Although for some of you, I feel like, yeah, the physical connection is restarting again, and it's up to you if you want this connection or not in that way. But yes, for some of you it is a chance. And but again, I'm getting that this person is going to work on their stability first, and they want you to work on your stability first, financial stability. Then only they want to proceed further in life. Might be on the commitment level, I don't know, but yeah, this is what is happening right now. Yeah. So I'm a Leo rising myself. I can feel it. I can completely relate to it. I think so. If you are not able to do that, don't force yourself to fit in this scenario. It's okay if you are not able to relate with this. This is not your story at all. Okay. So thank you so much for connecting with me. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the September video. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye.